The quality systems technician plays a key role in our manufacturing processes and maintaining the highest level of standards related to the FDA's current good manufacturing processes, or CGMP. You will conduct quality audits of products, assuring company standards are maintained and product integrity is preserved. You will collaborate with management to resolve quality, production, and efficiency problems, and function as an information source to production team members on your assigned shift when quality issues occur. The quality control tech has many responsibilities and can be assigned multiple tasks each day. You will utilize your knowledge of CGMP, FDA, and Fresenius quality standards to prepare quality documentation and reports by collecting, analyzing, and summarizing information and trends related to the manufacturer and quality of our products. You will also assist in collecting information by conducting analysis, identifying critical control points and preventative measures, establishing critical limits, monitoring procedures, inventories, and verification processes. This position requires physical activity every day for up to 12 hours, including loading and unloading various items, standing and working on concrete surfaces, bending at the knees and waist, occasionally lifting up to 50 pounds from floor height to waist level and shoulder level heights on a repetitive basis. After demonstrating proficiency in the role, you may be eligible for more advanced quality systems training and promotions within the quality systems job family. Joining the Fresenius Medical Care team as a quality systems technician in one of our advanced manufacturing locations can lead to a very rewarding career. Your work with us matters. The contributions you make will be both vital and extraordinary, helping people live longer, better, and healthier lives. If you have previous quality systems experience and secondary education and/or training in pharmaceutical manufacturing, CGMP, chemistry, microbiology, or related military service, let's talk. We are looking for new team members and would like to show you more.